你得下那种的，你知道吗？这要下子掉，你知道吗？然后你下子掉，大欧陆把这个多少年下来了，这些压力好活，都好用。Dragon. Cinderella right here, and Cinderella pumpkin magic right here. Now your Captain Hook.
I mean the bare necessities, that's why a bear can rest at ease with just the bare necessities of life. Now when you give a ball for a prickly cat, and you prick a wrong ball, well next time, beware. Don't pick the prickly pear by the ball. When you pick a pear, try to use the ball. But you don't need claw when you pick a bear at the wood pile log. Have I given you a clue? The bare necessities of life will come to you. They will come to you.
Este como está un paso pausa.
就那个跟我小的都熬干了，把锅。
A shallow you. A fool for perfection, I was never no good. I was a poet for the game, I saw a tree for the wood. Future something like me, I was so good.
mua là thì lúc cá sấu thì nè lúc cá sấu nó bố thì nó phải chữa tóc cái tóc cái một tí lúc cá sấu này thì là lúc pineapple ô cho nó lúc balloon lo cái cây đó ô pineapple lúc balloon nó ta chỉ nó lo cái cây nó cái là chè năng ngồi chè bài nó
这没有盖哈。
không balloon nó
Thử đấy. Con có một chai mẹ.
hả
Thế bị chai.
nó lúc cá sấu
Nó bút cho nó để chuyển nó chung.
hay phải chạy luôn rồi hả cho bố số rồi phải chạy mà
It's only at 6. Tuesday to Saturday.
tập luôn một thì là tạt ta tại dùng chạy luôn rồi nè cho nó rồi xe bốc số nhau lì cậu này
Morning. And hello everybody, welcome. My name's Mike, this is Characters in Flight. When we lift off the ground, we're all going to feel some motion. So will you guys all please take a hold of a handrail? And we are ready, here we go.
It's like being on the boat all over again.
Alright, so we're going to feel another bump here. We're going to come to a stop for just a moment. Here we are. And now we're going to go the rest of the way just a little bit quicker. Here we go. And there's going to be one more bump here. Here it comes. So it's easiest to spot all the Disney parks while we're on the way up, and everything Disney is going to be out this way. And so already you can see the big white golf ball shaped attraction. That's Spaceship Earth at Epcot Center. Then to the left of that, there's the big blue building, Disney Quest. If you look above it, on the horizon, you can see the Tower of Terror. So that's Hollywood Studios. And then just to the right of the Tower of Terror, there's a mountain that's got some snow on top. That's the big roller coaster in Animal Kingdom. Expedition Epic. And the Magic Kingdom's way out in front of me. In the distance out there, there's two big white buildings that are next to each other. Those are the resorts in front of the park. The one on the left is the one that the monorail goes through the middle. That's the Contemporary. That's also the one that's blocking our view of the castle, because the castle's right behind it.
So you want to do that? Probably has such a tight grip on that.
I do. I'm so excited.
Look at the construction. Oh, crap.
What's this, Dad? Here. Oh, yeah.
He's blind, so.
He really can't see it.
No, he's blind.
You wave.
这类这个专家。
All right, everybody, we're going to be coming to a stop here. You're going to feel a little bump. Here we are. And now that we've stopped, everybody can feel free to walk around. And if you guys have any questions, once again, my name's Mike.
分介绍嘛，分介的的。
Planet Hollywood is a restaurant.
What?
Got a job.
Are you gonna move around? I wanna move around.
Probably there's Cirque du Soleil.
Oh my god, I can see people walk over.
这也叫这不山。
You didn't notice that when we were going up.
Sorry. What the band? What?
Oh, we're done.
Yeah, that's the one in Everest. I mean, that's the one in the Animal Kingdom. That's Everest.
I want to do that.
Not today, babe.
I know, but
We'll do it later this summer when we come back.
I don't
Our car is over there. In that parking deck right behind Cirque du Soleil. Excuse me.
Oh,
Darby, I'm sorry. Darby, come on, babe.
I'm coming, Mommy.
Look at it. I mean, look at how much. What's that? Oh, that's
Got Darby.
They look at soda. Nhà bộ số đó là xe chập lại đi ạ.
chặt thiết mà một cũng nó chỉ khó
它是不太古了，还有太多古啊。
把一条手啊，你呢？
2 yogurts.
撸把龙去下不什么嘞？嗯。
ที่ท่าไทยเราก็ท่าไทยก็บอกต้องจะมาแล้ว
Have you been up here before?
Okay.
How long have you been up here?
What's the that's what, maybe 6 hours, 7 hours?
Peña pos, no, pe tata yung kay takala ko na. Si tata pon pe.
He's on the phone though. Twitter.
Perché poi poggiano non toccherà, cioè, non toccherà le cose,
Can you free like try to get to the video over there? No, go right where Devin is. Right where Devin is.
Get a nice picture.
em tất cả những thứ họ tình cảm hiện tại
When we get married, we're gonna travel.
rất là
I don't care what happens. That'll always be like a reference point now.
tất cả đều đó
Oh, that's pretty. Did you get a picture of that?
ông cho ông bông à đó
Nothing in between them.
Oh, look, we are like, we're coming down.
Mình nó không khai cỡ đâu.
à
Mình nó hồi nó phải khai cỡ.
All right, everybody, hold on to a handrail, please. There's gonna be a little bump here as we hit the ground.
tôi nhà flower chế bàn